Panasonic is making waves once again, this time with a camera that's stirring up serious hype. The rumored Lumix LX100 III has the photography world buzzing, and for good reason. Whispers point to a premium compact shooter boasting a larger sensor, upgraded autofocus, and video features that sound almost too good to be true. Before we dive into the wildest leaks and speculation, don't forget to subscribe, because today we're breaking down everything we know so far about this mysterious and potentially game-changing camera. Even though the specs haven't been officially confirmed, the photography community is already in a frenzy. So grab your gear, settle in, and let's get started. The Panasonic LX100 III continues to honor its heritage by embracing a design language that feels both timeless and modern, making it one of the most thoughtfully refined compact cameras of recent years. At first glance, it retains the unmistakable Lumix DNA, minimalist, purposeful, and wrapped in a premium magnesium alloy body that exudes confidence. The camera's understated elegance is a nod to classic rangefinder aesthetics, yet it is elevated with subtle but impactful refinements. For the first time in the LX100 series, Panasonic has introduced full weather sealing, ensuring photographers can rely on it in unpredictable conditions, such as light rain or dusty environments, without sacrificing its compact form factor. The tactile experience has also been improved, with dedicated dials for shutter speed, exposure compensation, and aperture, maintaining their analog charm while offering firmer resistance for precise adjustments. These enhancements make the LX100 III not just stylish, but a genuinely functional tool that rewards careful shooting. The body design has also been subtly re-engineered for better handling, with a slightly deeper grip and a repositioned thumb rest that make it feel more secure and balanced in hand, particularly during long shooting sessions. On the viewing side, the electronic viewfinder has been upgraded to a high-resolution OLED panel, delivering sharper and more vibrant previews, while the rear touchscreen LCD now offers improved brightness and responsiveness, making it easier to select focus points or navigate menus even in bright outdoor light. The leaf-style shutter, nestled within the lens, remains whisper quiet, enhancing its appeal for candid street photography or discreet travel shooting. Ultimately, the LX100 III achieves a rare balance of portability, control, and elegance, embodying the philosophy of a camera designed to be carried everywhere without compromise. A perfect companion for photographers who value both form and function. At the heart of the Panasonic LX100 III lies a brand new 25.2 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, paired with the company's latest Venus engine processor, a combination that represents a substantial upgrade over the 17 megapixel multi-aspect sensor found in its predecessor, the LX100 II. This leap in resolution brings not only more detail and sharper image quality, but also greater flexibility for cropping and post-production adjustments, something that photographers who rely on editing will truly appreciate. The back-illuminated design of the sensor plays a crucial role in enhancing light gathering ability, resulting in improved low-light performance and cleaner high ISO files, while Panasonic's updated color science brings more natural hues, smoother tonal transitions, and an overall refinement that gives images a more filmic and lifelike character straight out of the camera. One of the most defining strengths of the LX100 line has always been its lens, and the LX100 III continues this tradition with the inclusion of the superb Leica DC Vario-Summilux zoom. Covering an equivalent focal range of 24 to 75 mm, it provides a versatile spread from wide-angle to short telephoto, ideal for genres ranging from street photography and travel storytelling to portraiture and landscapes. Its bright f1.7 2.8 aperture makes it highly effective in low-light situations and enables excellent subject separation with pleasing background blur. The optical performance is first class, offering crisp detail across the frame, controlled distortion, and strong character that rivals larger systems, while new lens coatings reduce flare and ghosting for more reliable results when shooting in challenging backlit conditions. High ISO performance is surprisingly robust, with ISO 6400 producing impressively clean results, and even ISO 12800 remaining usable for casual or documentary work. Furthermore, the camera offers wide dynamic range, giving photographers significant latitude to recover highlights and shadows in raw files. Altogether, the LX100 III delivers performance that far exceeds what one might expect from its compact form factor, producing professional-grade results in a highly portable body that makes it a compelling choice for discerning photographers. While Panasonic doesn't carry the same celebrated film simulation heritage as Fujifilm, the LX100 III takes meaningful strides in refining its color science to appeal to discerning photographers. At its core, the camera emphasizes natural rendering, producing skin tones that feel authentic and lifelike, while also preserving delicate transitions in subtle hues such as pastels, skies, and shadow gradients. For those who crave more punch, Panasonic includes vivid and landscape modes, injecting extra contrast and saturation ideal for travel, outdoor, and nature photography. On the other end of the spectrum, the Cinelike D and Cinelike V profiles provide flatter, cinematic tonalities, catering to creators who want maximum flexibility for both stills and video during grading. A standout new addition is the classic neutral profile, Panasonic's attempt to emulate the timeless charm of analog film through lowered contrast, gentler midtones, and a softer curve, making it an especially appealing option for documentary shooters and street photographers who value mood over intensity. White balance has also seen a refinement, with the LX100 III demonstrating improved intelligence in handling tricky mixed lighting situations that would have thrown off earlier models. Beyond presets, Panasonic grants photographers in-camera creative control through fine adjustments to color depth, highlight and shadow tone curves, and customizable monochrome effects. This degree of flexibility empowers shooters to shape a unique visual identity without being dependent on external editing. For JPEG-centric workflows, the LX100 III offers not only convenience, but also creative depth, effectively serving as a storytelling tool straight out of the box. The Panasonic LX100 III brings a notable step forward in autofocus performance, thanks to the company's latest contrast detection AF system enhanced with AI-based subject recognition. Unlike earlier generations that primarily focused on faces and eyes, the LX100 III expands its detection capabilities to include animals, vehicles, and even aircraft, all with a surprising level of reliability for a compact camera. Tracking is now far more dependable, maintaining lock on fast-moving subjects with confidence that makes it much more versatile than its predecessor. In good lighting conditions, focus acquisition feels nearly instantaneous, giving photographers the responsiveness they need for candid or action-filled moments. While contrast AF still cannot fully match the speed of phase detect rivals in extremely low-light environments, or when dealing with erratic movement, the LX100 III delivers more than enough capability for its intended audience, street shooters, travelers, and everyday enthusiasts who prize portability. Beyond autofocus, Panasonic has refined the camera's shooting speed, with mechanical bursts up to 11 FPS and electronic bursts at an impressive 20 FPS, ensuring fleeting expressions or dynamic action are well within reach. Usability remains one of the strongest aspects of the LX100 series, and here Panasonic doubles down with intuitive menus, generous customization options through function buttons, and tactile exposure dials that make manual control both accessible and enjoyable. The EVF and rear LCD have been upgraded with higher refresh rates for smoother subject tracking, while USB-C charging modernizes the workflow. Combined with improved battery life rated for 450 shots, the LX100 III is a reliable companion for extended outings. Though compact, the Panasonic LX100 III is a surprisingly capable video tool that pushes far beyond what most expect from a small-bodied camera. It offers oversampled 4K video recording up to 60p with internal 10-bit 4.2.2 capture, ensuring that footage is sharp, detailed, and cinematic right out of the camera. For creators who demand flexibility in post-production, Panasonic has included Vlog-L support, enabling greater dynamic range and color grading possibilities that rival those of professional cinema setups. Autofocus performance in video mode has also leapt forward, with smoother and more confident tracking supported by AI-driven subject detection, making it more reliable when capturing moving subjects. The integration of Panasonic's advanced 5-axis in-body image stabilization IBIS, pairs beautifully with the fast Leica zoom lens, giving run-and-gun filmmakers the ability to shoot handheld footage that remains steady and professional-looking even in challenging environments. Beyond imaging, connectivity has been thoroughly modernized to meet the needs of today's fast-paced workflows. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth provide quick wireless control and sharing, while the addition of USB-C LAN support introduces options rarely seen in a compact camera, such as tethered shooting, direct file transfer, or even live streaming straight from the device. This combination of portability, imaging power, stabilization, and advanced connectivity makes the LX100 III more than just a travel-friendly companion. It positions it as a true hybrid tool suitable for vloggers, documentary shooters, and even professionals seeking a reliable, compact secondary system that integrates seamlessly into contemporary production pipelines, where speed, versatility, and efficiency are paramount. The Panasonic Lumix LX100 III doesn't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, it focuses on being the ultimate compact creative tool. With its large sensor, fast Leica zoom lens, refined ergonomics, upgraded autofocus, and modern hybrid features, it offers a rare balance of portability and professional capability. Whether you're a travel photographer seeking a do-it-all companion, a street shooter who values discretion and control, or a hybrid creator who wants high-quality stills and video in one pocketable package, the LX100 III is an exceptionally well-rounded choice. It may not grab headlines with specs alone, but in practice, it delivers a shooting experience that is as enjoyable as it is powerful. And that might be the very reason it stands out in 2025.